Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Vilma and I'm from SDG Monitor, and this is Radu, my colleague from Blocx, and we're here today to talk about what we believe is going to be a true love story of the 21st century, namely the match between sustainability and MPC. We want to create a product that helps bring transparency and trust to sustainability data and hold companies accountable for the data that they report. So what is the problem? Well, the world is burning. This is the result of human-induced climate change, and which is the greatest threat to our societies and the natural environment. So what we need to do? Well, the world needs to transition into economic, environmental, and social sustainability. But however, currently the transition is not happening fast enough, and we are way behind our targets set by the governments. So, for example, the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are a great example of this. Now, these are governmental level contracts, but companies are in a crucial role realizing them. And what's the current situation there? Well, it's a wild west. There are many frameworks and companies look back on the data that they report per year, whereas they should really implement sustainability into their business models and strategy. And we hear all the time how we need to take action. And that's what the European Union has done. They have set a regulation known as the CSRD, the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive. It has now been adopted, and it's going to affect some 50,000 companies in a couple of years. So what we want to do is to bring a tool for the companies to report valid sustainability data for the CSRD, which is here to bring standardization for sustainability reporting. And we believe that blockchain is going to be the missing link to this. As, for example, or like adding data to the blockchain will help us bring transparency. Signing off transactions will bring accountability. And then, of course, features such as MPC will help bring privacy to any sensitive data that is required for sustainability reporting. So the market opportunity is big here. And our target market are going to be the companies in Finland and the Netherlands to start with, who have to comply with the CSRD in the upcoming years. And the market share we're going to start with is going to be 0.001% of the total addressable market, so which are all the companies in the European Union. And our business model is going to be a combination of subscription and pay-per-use with a high retention rate. And why high retention rate is because, every year the companies will have to report. So if they come into our platform, this will be a constant per year. So if we look at go to the next. Very simple subscription model here. If we think about the target market, our revenue stream in year one would be approximately 1 million. And now this is excluding the pay-per-use, because we still need to define that based on the transaction policies that Partisia has to offer. So this was the first part. I'm going to hand over the mic to Radu, who will take over on the more technical side and also a very interesting use case.
Hello everyone, thank you Vilma for the introduction. I would like to kick off with a short real-life use case that we have found in SDG number 10 entitled Reduced Inequalities. A tale as old as time says that there's a huge pay gap between genders. Well, the fact is that that is not really a tale. A study by The Guardian shows that women in executive positions are being paid 73% less than men. Our solutions values privacy and security, so by using systems such as MPC and ZK, employees within a company are able to transparently introduce their private data into our reporting system, so they can keep reporting on their sustainability KPIs without having to disclose any underlying data. In the light of our use case, each board member of a company can feel protected when disclosing any data entries such as their salary, gender, and many other GDPR-protected data. By doing so, they will be able to determine whether, for instance, the salaries in the executive positions of their board are equal or not, and finally hold companies accountable for their actions. So how does this work? A customer, always here is represented by a company, has to set up an SDG Monitor account and create an action plan through this platform. Using this tool, the customer can add their data in a really secure manner, and we have a direct link from the SDG Monitor to the Partisia blockchain. This platform does not retain any data in their backend, it just serves as a pipeline directly to the blockchain itself. We aim to have third parties, stakeholders automatically introduce their data on the blockchain through any type of APIs and direct links. While the blockchain tool offered by us is running smart contracts to sustain MPC and zero-knowledge computations on the private data, SDG Monitor is continuously updating these reports based on the private data they receive. For our go-to-market plan, we have chosen a 30-30-30-10% division of funds. Our main focus lies within marketing and sales because we would like to know and find out about what market we're addressing and find the best early adopters for this type of project. Another 30% will go for the development and data management side, and to bring this project to life, of course, and 10% to the support for any customers or the platform itself. Only 10% because we still have a huge capacity in-house for developers or both sustainability consultants. Quickly to present you our team, I'm here together with my colleague Vilma. She's the sustainability expert for our project. She's the co-founder and CTO at Blocx. Myself, Radu, I'm a blockchain developer at Blocx with a software engineering background. And of course, Bianca, my colleague, she's the channel manager at Blocx, who has been closely watching our business affairs. This project is a partnership between Blocx and SDG Monitor. Blocx is I think we are two companies. We develop and we provide tech solutions for companies when it comes to creating blockchain solutions and communication platforms and the communication challenges. And SDG Monitor is a tool that is currently running to measure sustainability performance for companies. I would like to welcome you to a quick Q&A session, and where together with Vilma we would like to answer any questions you might have.